This is take 3 now because she's pressed the button. Let's leave it alone. Yeah, take 3. If you've just joined us, you need to watch the first one and then the other one. Yeah? Please. There's the picture of the long train.
Let me see.
There it is, look. Oi, get off my train.
Okay.
We're ready to go now. Don't make too much noise with the shovel. See, in the old days, we didn't have electric trains. We had steam trains.
Steam train.
Yeah, and steam trains, we used to have to put coal to feed the engine.
Yeah. Is that ice?
It's like ice, but it's hot. It's cold. Say cold. Are you picking your dad? If there's time, we can have a picnic.
I actually can do it.
That's a good train noise. Can you make a train noise? They did it! Yeah! Didn't they?
Yeah.
Stop picking your toes before I chop them off and give them
Yeah,
to the
do it,
toads.
Do it.
No. Because toads eat worms. I think they're worms and slugs. Amber. It looks as if it's going to be a foggy. It looks as if it's going to be foggy ahead.
Do it really fast.
It is. If they want fast, they watch the other ones. If it is, we can play ghosts. Ooh. 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 Oh, where's Amber, Pamber, Pudding and Pie gone? You've been lying on my... Oh my God, you've made... Look at the state of my pillow. Please... There she is, I can lie back and have a rest. Yeah. Please let me come with you on your train. Someone is coming to cut off my tusks. And soon there will be none of us left. Oh, the elephants have got tusks. Like teeth. Tusks. He wants to get on the train. Old elephant. Ellie, ellie, welly, welly, woo. Ellie's on there. It's going to be a very hot day. It was hot today. If it is, we must find somewhere for a swim. Hi kids, she's back again.
Just lie
Look,
on my lap.
there's Ellie going for a swim. Look, he's blowing his trumpet with his nose.
Yeah.
Oi, get off our train.
Train.
Look, there's a seal on the train.
Okay.
There's a seal. Please let me come with you on your train. If I stay in the sea, I won't have enough to eat because people are making the water very dirty and they're catching too many fish. And soon there's going to be none left. Now we are eating too much fish. We need to stop eating the animals and the fish. We do. Don't we? We need to eat more plants. You like them, they're better for you. Meat's bad for you. Anyway, I think this is going to be a strong wind. Oh, that's lovely. If there is, we can all fly kites. Have you ever flown kites?
No.
No?
Well,
You haven't?
yesterday, in months ago, we did a shark one.
Yes,
Yesterday.
we did. And what did we see yesterday that was flying at the beach?
a flag.
No, flying. Yeah, there was flags. In the sky, there was a pink octopus, wasn't there? With all its leggies like this.
Look.
Like this.
Look.
Oh, it's a stork. You know what a stork is? It's a bird. Look. Oi! Get off our train!
I'm still on your train.
Please, let me come with you on your train, said Mr. Stork. I live in the marshes and they're draining the water out of them. I can't live on dry land, and soon there will be none of us left, says Mr. Stork.
That's a stork.
Mr. Stork, yeah, he's got a sharp beak.
And sharp toes.
And sharp claws, yeah. Because he catches the fish. We should leave the fish in the sea for Mr. Stork. And, who's this one? Seal.
Seal.
It looks as if it's going to rain soon. If it does, we can all mess about with our umbrellas.
Yeah, do it.
Look at them messing about with all their umbrellas. Look at them. We got Storky, Sealy, Ellie. Who else we got? What's the first one? Doggy.
Okay.
Excuse me, thank you very much. Stop being nosy. Don't touch Mummy's stuff. Yeah. You don't touch things that you're not allowed. Do we? No. Oi! Get off of our train. Look who it is.
Let me see.
Rah.
Let me see.
It's Mr.
Tiger.
Tiger, that's right. Now, tigers are carnivores because they eat meat.
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 Please let me come with you on your train. They're cutting down the forest where I live, and soon there'll be none of us left. They're cutting down the forests now.
That's my forest.
Yeah. I think there's enough snow now. If there is, we're going to all throw snowballs. Have you thrown snowballs? Have you?
Yesterday in months we threw snowballs.
Yes. Oi! Get off my train! Who have we got now, guys?
Let me see.
Who's this? What's that called?
Polar bear.
Yes! She did it! It's Poly Bear. Please let me ride on your train. I live in the frozen north and somebody wants my fur to make a coat out of it. And soon there's going to be none of us left. Isn't that sad?
That's so rude.
That's so rude. Why do we need to cut the fur off the polar bear to make a coat?
No. A polar bear said please and they said no.
Did
That's
they?
rude.
I don't think they did. I think they said yes. If it does not stop snowing soon, we're going to all get stuck.
Yeah.
We must go back now. I have to get to school in the morning. Here we are. We come back. Here she goes. There's the picture, the last picture. And you must get up immediately or you're going to be late for school. There are lots of animals in the house. There's an elephant in the hall, a seal in the bath, a crane in the washing,
Stop.
a tiger on the... No, it hasn't. Don't touch it. A tiger on the stairs and a polar bear by the fridge. Is it anything to do with you, Amber? That's a great story. Oi, Get off my train. So that story taught us a lot about sharing and being kind to people by letting them on the train, didn't it? And it also taught us...
Good night.
Tortoise has a shell on. Leave it. Tortoise. It also taught us that we don't want to eat the fish in the sea. We shouldn't eat the fish in the sea. We shouldn't cut the polar bear's hair off to make pretty coats, should we? We don't need that.
No. We need
Leave them.
We need proper coats.
Because when you've had little babies, there's going to be nothing left.
Oh, this monster
And then we're going to
on
say,
the head.
oh, do you remember what a polar bear looks like? A what? A polar bear. A what? A polar bear. A what? A polar bear. Never heard of it. Polar bear? You've never heard of a polar bear? No, what's it look like? Oh, it's a big white thing. It had teeth. It had sharp claws. It was big and furry. Big long nose. Real. Walked on fours. All fours like this, like a dog. And its paws. It had big paws. You're joking me. No, that was a polar bear. Where have they gone? They've all died. Why have they died? Because we killed them all. Didn't we? What are you doing to my hair?
Dad.
Hmm?
We have a bit of a drink again.
Yeah, have a little sip of Daddy's water. It's a little sip of Daddy's water before we go to bed.
Let's say this is Daddy's water.
Oh, watch. There's Daddy's water. Water, best thing you could drink, guys.
Yeah,
Not none of that fizzy stuff.
Yeah, because it's hot day, isn't it?
Yes, we don't drink fizzy stuff, do we? It's got lots of sugar, hasn't it?
Like leash.
Fizzy, 10, exactly, she's right, 10 spoonfuls of sugar in one glass. We drink water. It cleanses you.
Let me say good night. Bye, kids.
Bye, kids.
Ah.
We're out of here.